This is the gimbal testing device that I've built. It's composed of 3 different components: the base, the ship, and the gimbal. The purpose of the base is to provide a stable platform in which you can rotate the test device back and forth. So the base has these 2 parts, this one cut partially open to be able to see the marks, which will be degrees of rotation. And then with the slight space, then connects to 2 more identical guides that try to provide a near perfect alignment between these 2 platforms and the hole pattern on the gimbal. So you're rotating precisely around the gimbal. Except the difference here is that these guys are bonded to the rod and to the platform. On the ship platform is of course the gimbal controller, in this case the second IMU, the first IMU. So the idea here is that we can simply rotate the gimbal in precise moments at different frequencies and then check the response for the PID tuning. After each tuning, we can then shoot against the eye chart to see how that translates into actual video, and then possibly reiterating the tuning until the eye chart looks fairly optimal. The bolt pattern here is such that I'll be able to then first optimize pitch, and then bolt it into the back of roll, and then bolt it into the top of yaw, to be able to optimize all 3 axes. There's also a slight gap here. This just allows access for my tools to be able to get it in here and tighten these bolts. As you can see by the motion of the camera, the electronics are not hooked up yet. So my first step is to figure out how to route the wire so it has the least impact on camera balance and camera motion, because the wire itself will actually push the camera around a little bit, depending on how much you rotate, where the rotation is.